Hello friends, let us solve some of the questions of hedging, and this question is C 3.3.1. Let us first go to the question. An Indian company has an export exposure of Japanese yen 10 lakhs. It is 1 million. Yes, it is 1 crore. It is 10 million, 1 crore. Payable August 31, 2014. Japanese yen is not directly quoted against Indian rupee. Alright, so we are an exporter. Japanese company will be paying us, but how much they will be paying us is 10 million Japanese yen. So what we are going to receive is 10 million yen. Payable August 31, 2014. So we are going to receive in August 31. Japanese yen is not directly quoted under Indian rupees, but INR per US dollar is rupees per dollar 62.22. Let us find out spot rate. Rupees per dollar is 62.22 and yen per dollar is 102.34. What rate we want? Rupees per yen. I will not do reciprocal of this. I will do reciprocal of this. I will be getting the answer. It is 62.22 into 1 divided by 102.34 is nothing but answer of rupees per yen. It will be rupees per dollar, dollar per yen, dollar will get cancelled. I will be getting answer of rupees per yen. This is nothing but spot rate. It is estimated that Japanese yen will depreciate to 124 level and the Indian rupee will depreciate to 65 rupee. So what is the expectation? I am directly finding out rupees per yen because I know it will be rupees per dollar rate directly and Japanese yen per US dollar rate indirectly. This is my expected rate. Forward rate are as follows. Let me also find out forward rate. Forward rate rupees per yen for August 2014, that is when it is receivable. It is 66.50 multiplied by 1 divided by 110.35. These are all three rates. I have converted the rates into rupees per yen, which is expected from me because I am dealing in yen with rupees. Calculate the expected loss if the hedging is not done. How the position will change if the firm takes forward cover. Alright. So if it was receivable today, how much you will be if it was receivable today? It is receivable after 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, but then I would be receiving 10 million into 62.22 divided by 102.34. This is yen, this is rupees per yen, yen will get cancelled, I will be getting answer in rupees. My answer will be 10 million into 62.22 divided by 102.30. It is 10 million into 62.22 divided by 102.34. It is 6.0797. 6.0797 million. If I do not hedge my risk and the market expectation crystallize, what will be my loss is 10 million into 65 divided by 124. It is 10 into 65 divided by 124. It is 5.24. 5.2419. That is 20 million. What will be my loss in terms of rupees is 5.2420 minus 6.0797 will be 0.8377 million, which is nothing but 8,37,000 something, which will be my loss if I do not hedge the risk. Is it okay? If I do not hedge the risk. If the spot rate, calculate the expected loss if the hedging is not done. How the position will change if the firm takes forward cover? If the firm takes a forward cover, how much it will be receiving? Will be 10 million multiplied by this rate into 66.50 divided by 110.35. Ensure they will be receiving this. The answer is yes. So it is 10 into 66.5 divided by 110.35. It is 6.0262 million. And there is no risk in it. This is a certain amount. There's no probability attached to it that this will be received or not received. 100% this will be received. Whatever is the rate. If the rate is higher, then you will lose. If the rate is lower, then you will be happy that you have hedged the risk. But this is an amount which you are going to receive irrespective of market rate of yen. If the spot rate on 31st August is so and so, is taking forward cover justified? Alright, let us take a spot rate on maturity. What is the spot rate on maturity of rupees per yen? I am directly finding out rupees per yen. Is 66.25 multiplied by 1 divided by 110.85. They are asking us whether taking a forward cover is justified. Let us take, if we had not hedged the risk, we would have received, means if we have not taken a forward cover, we would have received 10 million multiplied by 66.25 divided by 110.85. Understand, this is yen. This is rupees per yen. Yen is getting cancelled and we are getting the answer. It is a 10 million into 66.25 divided by 110.80. It is 5.9765. Had I not taken the forward cover, and if the spot rate whatever is given becomes this, then I would have received 5.9765 million, which is still less than this amount. So if the actual spot rate is this, taking the forward cover today was justified. Justified basically means you were having the risk that the price of yen will decrease. It has actually decreased, and so it is justified. If the price had increased, it might not be justified, but still your risk was not covered during that particular period. But in this case, if it is a spot rate, it is justified to take a forward cover. If you had taken a forward cover, it is justified because the market has already of yen has already decreased. So taking forward cover was justified. This was question number C 3.3.1. Thank you, friends.